Turn on the machine here. This is the home page. This is English. Here show the frequency. Here show the working power. Here show the status of the system, frequency and the power. They are normal. If it is alarm, please contact the engineer. Okay, this is the amplitude. Can set the amplitude according to the wire size. The bigger the wire size, the bigger value. And here the welding mode. We normally use the time mode. Normally we don't use an energy mode. We use the time mode. Here's the clamping time. It means the clamping time. This is delay 1. It means the delay time after the clamping. This is the welding time. It means the ultrasonic welding time. This is the most important. This is press time. It means after welding, it will hold press this time. And this delay 2. After the holding time, it will have this delay time. This vibration time. It means the welding head. It will shake this time to avoid the copper stick on the welding head. This welding data you can enter to see the welding record. We need to debug to enter to this debug mode. This debug mode. After adjustment, switch to auto mode. Okay. Now we try to adjust this cable. Switch to debug mode. Firstly, we can see the welding width to press this switch. This pressure fixture will come to here. We just check the welding width here. 可以看到吗？往前一点。Welding width this position. Now this too narrow, so we need to adjust it wider. Wide. And then looks this screw. Rotate here. And then check it again. Now it may be good now. This is about the diameter of the copper. And then we check the welding height. Also, we need to loosen these two screws. And then we see here. Move down. Press in here. Now it is down now. And this gap, it is the welding area. Now we can see it is too small. It is too small for this wire, so we need to adjust it bigger. Press mode up, and then we adjust this button. Press down. we can see this gap. Here, this gap, it may be better now. We can have a try. For example, we can it can clamp the wire. Now we here switch to auto mode, and this welding time we can have a try. Switch to auto mode and then back. Here amplitude we switch to 20% and then reset the machine, and then we press pedal to have a try. Now it is still loose. It means the press here, the press height is not enough, so we need to adjust it smaller. Try again. It's okay. We use another wire to test.可以再小一点吗？ It's okay now. After you adjust well the machine, you have to lock the two screws to start your production. And then if we need to adjust to this type, this is a bigger wire. Now we adjust to a bigger wire here. Adjust the amplitude bigger, and then the welding time. And debug the welding width again. Bigger 是这个方向。Switch to a bigger width. This may be better. This is about 1.5 of the copper diameter. And then this switch to 是这个方向吧。Okay, have a try. Switch to auto mode. Reset. Have a try. Press the pedal. The first time it will have the ultrasonic. It's okay. Just use these two screws and the welding time and the amplitude to adjust the wire diameter. Okay.